What's up YouTube? Today we are making mature rated Minecraft in Unity. I started by deleting the cube and making the cube, then I modeled the Minecraft zombie, added some textures and animations. And I imported a Minecraft world. Next, I added a sword into the game. This sword looks huge, but it's actually very small. It had some bugs, but after a few fixes, I'm able to use it. Then I decided to increase my field of view. With this field of view, I was able to see everything around me. You know how insane this GitHub Copilot AI is? I can just tell it check if blah 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 and it will generate all of this code. Then I improved sword animations. Oh my god, look what I can do! Windows Paint is insane. It takes one click to do this. In Photoshop it would have taken 2 clicks. But it has white background. You disappointed me, Paint. You disappointed me, Paint. You disappointed me. I added some abilities from this video where I put League of Legends champions into Unity. This guy looks like your mom. How are they not dying? Oh. Boo! I added an ability that lets you spawn cubes to kill enemies. I'm kinda getting distracted. Your mom kinda walk towards me, zombies. Yes, protect me, my cube. Kill them all. Boo! What is this chainsaw monstrosity? Is it sawing them? Oh, I can spawn more. Yes, of course I can spawn more. I literally programmed it. And now they fall. Don't fall on me. Oh my god, it caused complete mayhem. I'm walking into the ground. Ignore that. That's a feature, not a bug. That's my ability. By the way, these tornadoes are completely shredding the zombies. I added this ninja ability and it's kinda crazy. There is a delay in which they explode. Boom! Check out. I encountered some minor problems, like for example this one time where zombies were literally getting torn apart and thrown into the air for no apparent reason. Or it was my coding mistake, but we won't go into that. Boom! Then my friend noticed my variables are named WTF and OMG.
Kakvi su ti moje varijable, OMG, what the fuck, ko ti ne znaš? Da, nego nemate misli, imaš neki bug negdje, ne znaš.
And now, enjoy the final game.